Aloha! Welcome to our quick guide on understanding Llama-Ku's content structure. Whether you're migrating from Laulima or starting fresh, this video will help you understand how to structure your course content effectively in Llama-Ku. Now let's start with the basics. Llama-Ku, or Brightspace, uses specific terminology to organize course materials. Here's a quick rundown. Your course content can be organized using modules, submodules, and content topics. Modules are the main containers for your course content. Think of them as weeks or units in your course. So if you teach a 5-week course, you might have 5 modules. If you teach a 16-week course, you might have 16 modules. Submodules, or a module within a module, are optional and can be used to establish a deeper hierarchy nested in a module. Although it's possible to create submodules within a submodule or a module, for simpler and easier navigation for students, we recommend using submodules sparingly and intentionally. Topics are the actual pieces of content that you will include, such as text, images, assignments, tests, videos, and more. It's important to note that Laulima does not have an exactly equivalent structural elements, but we can see the similarities when comparing Laulima lessons to Llama-Ku modules, Laulima subpages to Llama-Ku submodules, and Laulima's sections or items to Llama-Ku's topics. Also, whereas the goal of Laulima lessons was to place all sections on one big lessons page, Llama-Ku is designed for students to navigate one topic at a time, thus reducing cognitive load. This design is ideal for today's students who often use mobile devices as their primary means of accessing course content. Let's consider 3 Llama-Ku content design options. This design option 1 is the simplest and the recommended design option, where each module holds topics that a learner can easily navigate through or move between the topics. Here, a learner would read the module introduction, learning objectives, then read about procedural rhetoric, some linked content, and then engage in a forum discussion. Implementing that course design in Llama-Ku, this is what you will see. Here's the module and the topics inside this module. Notice these check marks. These are automatically checked by Llama-Ku when a student has engaged with each topic. Another structural design approach in Llama-Ku uses optional submodules within a module to provide a more clearly delineated hierarchical structure. Each submodule may consist of its own separate set of topics. This design approach works well if you cover multiple subjects within a module or a week. Implementing that second design in Llama-Ku, you see the module and the submodules, which are slightly indented inside that parent module. And when expand all is selected, the submodules will reveal all topics inside each submodule. The third structural design approach in Llama-Ku is the combination of the 2 previous designs. This module consists of submodules and also topics at the same hierarchical level. Notice that these submodules have many topics. So when you implement this design in Lamaku, the module looks cleaner and approachable when the submodules are collapsed. Please check out these helpful documents, Lamaku Content Structure Guide and the Lamaku tutorial, How to Use Document Templates. These documents have more details and examples.